Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this video we are going to take a look at the Adobe Illustrator. Before I start, I kindly request to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. In this series we will be starting from the very beginning. So, what is Adobe Illustrator? It is a vector graphics editor. Illustrator is widely used by the graphic designers, web designers, visual artists, and professional illustrators throughout the world to create a high quality artwork. If you need to create logos, illustrations, posters, infographics, t-shirt designs, and flyers, Illustrator is the program to create them in. The tools in the Illustrator make it very easy to create and modify shapes and strokes. So let's start. When Illustrator does open, you will get the start page. Here, you can see the Create New option, which is used to create a new document. Or you can simply press Ctrl N to create a new document. Here, you can also see the Open button, which is used to open the existing document. Or you can simply press Ctrl O to open the existing document. Now I will create a new document. So this is the new document dialog box. Here on the top, you have some pre-made frequently used categories of a document. This is a mobile, which has some preset sizes for working on mobile devices like iPhones, iPads and Androids. Here you can see the web tab, and these are default sizes for web pages measured in pixels. Here also have print. And print means obviously to print something, but in this it means for professional printers. And professional printers are very different. They use, as you look down here, the color mode, they use CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow and black. And the mixture of these four colors in different percentages gives you every other color available. Alright? However, the printers you have at home or at offices or at schools, they use RGB color, which is a combination of red, green and blue. Another thing is, if you look at the web documents, they are in pixels. Print by default is in points. Points and picas are very common in professional print. Now here, film and video, standard sizes for different screens like 720, 1080, stuff like that. But most of the time we start a new document with art and illustration. The reason behind is that it is just like print, but the only difference is here you can see the RGB color. You have a couple of other things also. You have orientation. This is portrait and here this is landscape. I will go with this. Don't worry about bleed. We'll talk about this in some future projects. But you should know about the units and color mode. And now click create. And this is gonna create a new document. Here you can see the whiteboard, which is called the artboard. Alright. And this is the blank space. You can put stuff here temporarily, but only stuff that is on the artboard will show up when the document is saved. But you can put the temporary work here. We'll continue this tutorial in the next video where you will be learning about the workspace and the different tools. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.